Hello everyone, hey, this is Ken and thanks for watching today. An application that has been really close to my heart and has really helped me out in business is Carbonite. Now what Carbonite does initially, we got Carbonite because it backs up all of our computers. So if your computer were to blow up, you could download from Carbonite all of your data and you would be off and running again like nothing ever happened. If you changed to and upgraded to a new computer, the same applies, where you could get all your data from Carbonite and it reloads it right back in, so it's like you never missed a beat. But what they did come out with is they came out with an application for the iPad. Now what's unique about the Carbonite application, and I'm going to click on it here, it gives you all of your computers that you have backed up on Carbonite, and every file and every piece of music and every document that is on there at your fingertips. No matter where your computer is and no matter where you are, you can access everything in record time. So, you know, if you're in another country and your computer's in America, you can get your data. If you're on a sales call or you're meeting with a client and you need a contract, you can get your data. So I'm going to walk you through real quick as to how Carbonite works, because it's really helped us in business. First thing you would do is you tap on the computer that you want. It's going to bring up the four most popular things you're going to look for: pictures, music, desktop, or documents, because I keep a lot of my records on the desktop. And this works too if you're traveling and it's just using your computer for personal use, because you know it gives you the ability to listen to music that's on the computer that isn't downloaded to your iPad. And then more files goes more into depth, and I'll show you that real quick. We'll start with more files. What that'll do is it'll go, if you're like, man, I know I bookmarked something and I needed that information, and what was the name of that website again? Well, as you can see, all your links and your favorites are right there, so you can go right into your bookmarks from, no matter what you use, if you use Mozilla or you use Explorer or whatever your flavor is, all your bookmarks will be right there, so you can remember the website that you were going to. Okay. In addition, if you needed pictures, you click on your pictures, you can pick out your pictures, and this is going right off of my desktop, and you can click on that picture and it's going to bring it right up. Now when you bring that picture up, if you wanted to email it to somebody, you could email it to someone, you could open the picture, you can print the picture. This allows you to print wirelessly to any printer you're at anywhere within any building you're in. Okay, you'll pick it up and you can print right off it, or you can save an image. So that's kind of nice. So it gives you that ability to take those pictures and just pick them up off of your desktop. So you don't have to have a huge data storage on an iPad. You can simply get the 8 gig one, or you can get the 64 gig one, but the point is you can have terabytes of data at your fingertips because it's pulling all the data from your computer. So that's pictures. That's how pictures would work. If you needed a document, you can simply go into Documents, and let's see what I want here on Documents. If you go into videos, for example, my videos, we can show you an example of pulling a video right from the desktop where it's going to play a 3D video that was made in reference to the Shriners in a car in a parade. Give it a second here to load up. So this is pulling it from my desktop as well, where I can watch videos. Now I understand I have to be in Wi-Fi to do this, but I don't have to store videos on my iPad anymore. I can take videos right from my desktop, which is really nice if you're traveling. In addition to that, we also have the ability under Documents to pull up a document like where's my ESDI? Oh, that's all my desktop. So I keep a lot of my documents on the desktop, as I said before. So if we go to like ESDI, which is Employee Selection Development Inventory, you can click on that document. That document is right there at your fingertips, and you can view it. So you can have the data with you. No longer you have to carry lots of files of paper when you're interviewing guys or looking for individuals. You can have it right at your fingertips. You can email it again. You can open it up. You can print it off if you need to give somebody a copy while you're out and visiting with people. And that's how you get to your documents, your Word docs, your Excel spreadsheets, you name it, it's all going to be on here. We'll show you an Excel spreadsheet here real quick. For an example, oh, here's a contract. So, contracts, commissions, you name it. Whatever it is that you have in document format, you can pick it right from your desktop or your documents. Also, if you wanted music on your desktop, I tend to have music on my desktop at times of things that I want to listen to that isn't stored on my data, so you can simply click on that and you can pull the music right from your desktop. Okay, that way, the music. So what you would need to know is the music button here, under music here, that's going to have your iTunes library, and then if you reside music on your desktop, you have the ability to have music. You can have your entire database of music with you wherever you go. So if you want to make changes, again, you would have to be on Wi-Fi to use this, but it's really simple to use. And the nice part is that no matter where you go, you're going to have your data. I've always said when I traveled, if I forget it, I'll just buy it on the run. That's kind of hard to do with documents and data, but with Carbonite, you have the ability to get it when you forget it. So again, this is Ken. I want to thank you for watching, and thanks again for viewing my blog. Have a wonderful day.